You're watching CT Live on NBC Connecticut.
Welcome back to TPC River Highlands. Our coverage of the Travelers Championship continues. So happy to be here, Jimmy.
Yeah, we are really blessed to be out here doing this show, Taylor. Such a pristine venue, such awesome people that work on the team.
Absolutely.
So, it's a good day.
Let's get started. We got a story for you now. Caring today for your tomorrow is the message that medical professionals at Bristol Health live by.
So we sat down with the president and CEO for more information. Take a look.
Hey, you guys, got a very special guest here. I'm sitting with Mr. Kurt Barwis, the president and CEO of Bristol Health. Thanks for joining me, sir.
Thank you for having me, Jim.
So you guys had a recent rebranding, and you also said that as the health industry has grown and expanded, Bristol Health has as well. How so?
Absolutely. So really what's happened, as you pointed out, things have changed, and so much of what we do is really happening outside of the hospital today. It's happening out in the community in outpatient settings. We call them ambulatory settings. It's really evolved that way. So for us, we represent that whole continuum. We want to be that whole continuum, and rebranding and really redefining our mission really creates that forward direction for us and says this is where we're going, this is where we need to go to take care of the community.
And a part of that is a slogan you guys have, caring today for your tomorrow.
Yeah.
What does that mean, and how do you hope it affects the community?
So caring today for your tomorrow really kind of encompasses all that I just said. It's a mission statement that every single person in the organization is going to be able to know, going to be able to repeat, going to be able to say. And as we start our days, we do our safety huddles, we're going to sit there and say, hey, what's going on today? How are we going to meet this mission, caring today for your tomorrow?
Awesome. So let's talk about a brand new 3-story, 60,000 square foot state-of-the-art facility that you guys have. Tell me about that.
This is an exciting new facility, and it really is a partnership with the community. We put it downtown Bristol on a lot that's been vacant for about 10 years, so a long time. We were really happy to be able to partner with them to do that. In that building, we've really consolidated all of the specialty care so that patients can come in. It's easy parking. They can access, their specialists all in one place. It's an environment that's been designed for to support the healing environment, support the healing process, and it's just beautiful. I had my dad there yesterday. Came up from Philly, and it was interesting. Of course, he's 87 years old. He's had a lot. He's been in and out of the healthcare systems for a long time. He had a lot of procedures, and I took him into our new physical therapy area, and his eyes just lit up, and he just looked at me and he said, "Wow, I've never seen anything like this. It's huge, and it's just the most amazing environment for a physical therapist." It actually made me start to think about, how did that happen? How is it that big? And how did my physical therapist and occupational therapist pull that off? But honestly, when you think about the community, you think about the aging of the population, you think about the procedures and the things they need to have to be healthy and to be here tomorrow. It's really important that we did that.
Awesome. And it's great that if they need to see one specialist and then see another, they'll be
all
right
right
there in
there.
the same building.
And the specialist can talk too.
That's awesome. All right, now let's talk about a community event coming on June 22nd from noon to 5 p.m. What's the celebration going to be like?
So celebration is going to be amazing. So bring the kids, bring the family. There's going to be all kinds of stuff and activities for these kids to do. They're going to be able to tour the building. We're going to have some of the providers, the physicians and the advanced practice providers in the building to talk to the community and really tell people what it's all about.
What's it like for you coming to work every day knowing that what you do is about keeping people healthy and making sure that they grow?
Wow, I absolutely love my job. I got to tell you, I walk in that building every day and I have to pinch myself because I feel like the luckiest person in the whole wide world. It's about a team. It's about an environment where, I do orientation every 2 weeks, and I talk to the new employees, and I say, we don't just take care of patients, we take care of each other. And taking care of each other really matters, right? It's really about a culture of safety and high reliability. And guess what? When people take care of each other and people know each other and people communicate in the right way, the outcomes are so much better. The safety we deliver is so much higher.
Man, thank you very much for joining me, Kurt.
Thank you, Jim, for having me.
If you guys want more information on these ideas, just go to bristolhealth.org.